But in the Sanskrit, they're using the word tyag. You know tyag. Everyone's heard tyagi sadhu? It means to renounce or renunciate. It can be a lady or a gent. They can be renounced. So they said, Santyagya sarva vishayams. We, for you, we have renounced all objects of sense gratification, sarva vishay, and tyag. We've given up, we rejected, we've thrown away all objects of sense gratification for you. But yet you, on the other hand, you're renouncing us. That's what it's in the last line. It says, the third line is that the gopis are saying, on our side we gave up everything, but now you're trying to tell us to go home. You want to renounce us. So then they say, we're tyagis, but you should not be a tyagi. It's because in the third line they say ma tyajasman. So they're saying ma means na. So they're saying we gave up all varieties of sense enjoyment, and now you're going to give us up and reject us. So they tell him, don't reject me. Can you imagine if the most beautiful woman in the universe comes and stands before you? I mean, you would just melt in a second. Any ordinary person would just like, that's just me, you know. So they, they say, they're ordering them. They say, don't reject us, you bum. You know, we've come to you, we surrender. We're qualified. We don't have anything else. We have no other object but you, and you're not an object. We didn't give up all objects of enjoyment and hold you as the one object of enjoyment. We gave up all desire to enjoy, because it says sarva vishaya. It means we have no desire to enjoy, except we have one object. We want to offer ourselves for the objective of your pleasure. So it behooves you, it will benefit you and behoove you not to reject us. So they're telling him, don't reject me. Can you imagine some beautiful lady comes up and says, don't reject me. Okay, let me think about it. I don't know. Take out my flute. Vamshi, should we stay with this girl, or should we tell her to just go home? Just get out.